Hey everyone, this is Jim King back out here in Kansas City, Kansas. What we have here is a little French drain job. We're going to put in some French drain here. We're going to put some French drain in along the other side. And what that consists of is digging down and out 3 foot by 3 foot, 3 foot deep trench. Wrap it with Petromat, come in with 1 foot or 3/4 inch clean rock, 2 runs of PVC with pre-drilled holes, wrapped in Petromat, laid on top of a 1 foot of rock. More rock put on top of that until we're 2 foot 6 inches down. We'll wrap the top of the Petromat, take the best choice of dirt, spread it nice and neat, seed and mulch it, run everything to a pop-up valve. So we're just getting started here. We've had utilities located. Should be a simple in and out project, so stay with us. All on the back we've got an 8x8 concrete patio we're going to pour for the young men. So stay tuned. It should be done tomorrow or the next day. King Piers out here in KCK. For all your foundation repair needs or concrete needs, call us 1-816-288-4373. You can always visit us on our website, www.kingpiers.com. Thank you.